Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. Now in this lecture we are having this sum. In any triangle ABC, prove that A sin B minus C plus B sin C minus A plus C sin A minus B is equal to 0. Here LHS is equal to A sin B minus C plus B sin C minus A and plus C sin A minus B. Now we know that for triangle A upon sine of A is equal to B upon sine of B is equal to C upon sine of C is equal to constant, that is the sine law of triangle. Now moving ahead, A is equal to K times sine A, B is equal to K times sine B, C is equal to K times sine C. Now we'll be substituting this value of AB, small abc, in this equation, and we'll be getting LHS is equal to K times sine of A into sine of B minus C plus K sine B into sine of C minus A plus K times sine of C into sine of A minus B. Now we'll be solving for the first bracket, that is this first, this second, this third term. Now for first term, K will be here only, K into sine A. Now we'll be expanding this sine B minus C. So we know that sine of A minus B, sine of A minus B is equal to sine of A into cos of B minus cos of A into sine of B. Similarly, here we have A is equal to big B, capital B, and C is capital C is equal to small b. Now we'll be substituting here, and we'll be getting sine of B into cos of C minus cos of B into sine of C. This was the first term. Now similarly, other terms are term number 1 for term number 2, K into sine of B into, here it is sine C minus A, therefore sine C into cos of A minus cos of A, cos of C into sine of A. For third term, that is equal to K into sine of C bracket sine of A into cos of B minus cos of A into sine of B. Now we'll be multiplying this sine A, sine B and sine C in this bracket, and we'll be getting, so now taking all terms, and K will be coming common from all the terms, therefore sine of A into sine of B into cos of C minus this first term will get sine will be getting multiplied inside, therefore we'll be getting sine of A into sine of C into cos of B. This is our first term plus k into, now for second term we have k sine into this sine c minus a. So we'll be getting sine of b into sine of c into cos of a minus sine of a into sine of b into cos of c. I have rearranged this term accordingly so we can easily cancel out each term. Now further, for the last term, k into sine of a into sine of c into cos of b minus sine of b into sine of c into cos of a. Now here we have similar terms such as sine of a into sine of b into cos of c, and here also with negative sign, so they will get cancelled. Now this term and this term will get cancelled out. This sine of sine a into sine c into cos of b, and this similar term will get cancelled out. This also term is similar to this with a negative sign, so each term will get cancelled out, and we will be having k into 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to k times 0, that will be equal to 0, and thus we have RHS. Hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS. If you like this channel, please do subscribe and share and like. Thank you.